thought I'd show everybody my absolutely filthy cat door that leads from the cabin out into the grain room, where all the grain for the birds is kept. So with this cat door, the cats aren't outside where they can kill local songbirds. They just have access between the cabin and the grain room. So if your barn or grain room is attached to your house, cabin, whatever, or if you are setting up your homestead and can work this into your plans, your barn cats never actually have to leave the house, which is safer for both the cats and birds outside. But the downside is that yeah, they do occasionally bring their toys in the house, sometimes while they're still alive. I've had to save a couple of birds and some mice and drop them back outside, but overall they're very efficient, hi Spooky, at taking out any critters that get near the grain bin in there and keeping the rodent population on the farm down. I don't like it when they kill snakes that come in, because we don't really have poisonous snakes up here. They're all good snakes like garter snakes and milk snakes, but at least they can't touch the snakes that decide not to come into the grain room. I feel this is a much more ethical option for having cats, keeping all of your grain protected on the farm here. We're just gonna chill like that. We are. We're just gonna chill like that. Yeah. What do you think of all this, Void?